Good morning, Thailand. I'm not asking you to send me any money. I'm not asking for you to invest. I'm just going to show you what I do. This suits me. I'm not a financial advisor. If you follow me, you can quite easily lose all your money. When I was living in the UK, I was tied to my trading desk and I was trading while doing other IT contract work. Now I'm here in Thailand. Obviously I don't do the IT contract work anymore, and I now just trade. I just do a nice little bit just to earn myself a nice little piece of money. I also trade in a few cryptos as well, not Bitcoin. I don't go nowhere near Bitcoin. It's not for me. It might be for you, but it's definitely not for me. So I'm going to show you a couple of things I trade in. A lot of people do get jealous about like money and the way some of us traders talk about it. You've got to understand, when you're a trader, you haven't got a lot of respect for money. As a trader, a lot of us probably come across as complete dickheads, just to let you know. For you guys who really know me out there, who've known me for years, you will know what I'm like. I'm a very giving, honest, generous person. You've got to be somebody who actually knows and understands numbers, figures quickly, fast, thinking on your feet. You need to learn how to read patterns and charts. You need to recognise that the silver gold market is totally fixed, where the rich get rich and the poor get poorer. Yeah, it's all set up. So all the retail Robinhood investors, they all lose their money. So if we come into my living room now, and I'm sitting down at my trading desk and I'm looking at the my laptop here, you can see I've got a laptop, 3 screens, and if I'm really busy, I'm trading with 2 Samsung tablets as well as 2 phones. That shows you how dedicated I am to doing what I do. The most important thing in trading, I'm trading with actual cash. So all the figures you're seeing with me, this is actual cash figures. This is not figures where somebody's given me a handout or I've had inheritance. This is money that I've earned over the years and where I've saved. It might upset a few people, but really, just look at it, it's just money, that's all it is. And I'm in a very, very fortunate position. I am so fortunate that I've got a good wife and a good family around me. It means they let me concentrate on what I want to do, and but I do have a lot of time for other people, and I've got so much empathy for the poor, you would not believe it, because I really came from a really poor background, which I'm sorry Mum, I know that embarrasses you, but the truth of the matter is I had loads of love growing up as a kid, but God, was we poor. It was like crazy. I used to put like cereal packets in my shoes to stop the water coming through to, oh man. Anyway, growing up poor has made me the person I am, so it's given me the drive to earn money but not be greedy. That's the other thing as well. Greed is not good. If you're going to invest in cryptos are so volatile, you can easily lose a lot of money. But again, never bet with leverage. Never do shares with leverage. The only people who should do shares with leverage are people who are very, very clever, a lot more clever than me. If you say 92% of people lose money, of the 8% left, only 5% make on average about $5,000 a year. It's only the 3% who actually make money over the 5,000. This is not a quick trick way of earning money doing shares. You either know what you're doing or you don't. You're either confident or you're not. As I say, I don't feel comfortable doing this video because I'm showing you how I do it, and I can show you a few screenshots of a couple of trades I do. Look, I trade in the Caymans. I take my money through Gibraltar, and I bring the money to Thailand, all legally, literally tax-free, it's all within the rules of immigration and everything, because all this activity is going on outside. Immigration are only asking me for proof of income. That's what I show them, so I just bring it over every month. That is about it really, people. If any of you are out there trading, I wish you all the best. Until then, thank you for popping by, and it's adios from me. Hasta luego.
This vlog is not for everyone. I hope I don't come across as arrogant. It was purely a request from subscribers that asked how I trade and earn money to live in Thailand indefinitely. 92% lose money. 5% make $5,000 or less. Only 3% of traders make good money to live on. Please seek professional advice. This is pure educational information. My trading rules: 1. Don't panic, remember you only lose money if you cash out lower than you are going in. 2. Greed is not good, you don't have to trade every day. Just pick just a couple of shares. 3. I trade in the following: gold, silver, copper, platinum, Ethereum, and Ripple. 4. If there is a crash, I trade in a gold EFT because this share will outperform most on the way up. 5. Some of these terms are technical when to buy and sell. 6. Always buy above the 200-day moving average. 7. Use the Bollinger Bands and RSI. Sound complicated but isn't. 8. I buy on the dips and sell on the highs. I gain USD for every point gained. 9. You will need to find a trading platform that you are comfortable with. 10. How much money do I look to earn per trade? $50 to $15,000. 11. I never use leverage. What I buy I own. Never use leverage unless you are a genius. 12. Useful app, investing.com and Investors Wallet. 13. They don't teach you this at school, they just teach us how to serve and be poor. 14. YouTubers I follow: Finding Value, Gareth Soloway, and FX Empire for news only. This was my trade from last week. Monday to Friday, 100 ounces of gold. Total profit for the week $4,000. Over the next few slides, I'm going to demonstrate how I got to this chart design. Showing entry points and exit points. These are 2 shares deals. Left screenshots shows me going in at 1546 and taking profit of $970 the following morning. Right screenshot shows me going in at 8:15 and taking profit at 9:08, less than an hour, for $334 profit. By following the charts. For me, this is easy money. Remember, if you cash out under your purchase price, you will lose money. Left chart is a basic chart. How can anyone take it seriously? This chart is tell me so little I would not trade. Right chart is a little better. Some people would trade off this. I would not. Please go to the next slide. This chart is what I would trade from: Helikon Ashi or Japanese candles, MACD and Bollinger Bands. On the MACD, every time the blue line cuts through the red line is an entry point. Every time the red line cuts down below the blue line, it's an exit point. On the Bollinger Band, above the red line strength and going down below the red line is weakness. I buy on the dip, selling on crossovers. Next slide please. Crypto for the last 7 days with Ripple. You could have gone in last Monday. The chart is showing you with $1,000 that would have brought you 1,111 XRP coins. If you had cash out at $1.30 on Sunday. Again, the chart is showing you. The return was $1,444 and a nice week's profit of $444. Just remember, crypto is volatile. Hi subscribers, if you have got this far, you have done well. Any questions or help needed setting up charts, please email me in the description. Stay safe. Important, please take note. It is not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. I'm not selling investments or investment management services. I only manage my own money.